Om Sahanavavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Sah Viryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Pathami Sanskritam Nityam Vadami Sanskritam Sada Dhyayami Sanskritam Samyak Vande Sanskritamataram Vakyakaram Vararuchim Bhashyakaram Patanjalim Paninim Sutrakarancha Pranatosmi Munitrayam. We were seeing sutras yesterday. In that sutras, okay, can everyone close this Sanskrit document so that it will not get stuck in between? If you want to open, then you can make a copy, then you can open there.
But then you'll have to share, Poornaji, otherwise we can't see what you're typing.
I didn't. Which sutra? Somebody was asking from yesterday. Udoshtayupasya. From this sutra. Udoshtya purvasya yasmin dhatu ante dirgha rikaraha asti. In whichever dhatu at the end dirgha rikara, if it is there, previous letter should be either ukara or pavarga. Then that rikara will get ukara, adesha. So here this is dirgha rikara. This dirgha rikara preceded by oshta letter, which is pavarga, pakara. Then this dirgha rikara will get ur adesha. U adesha, this wherever rikara is there, refa will be remain as it is. By Urat Sutra, it will be remain as it is. It will come. Then Pur will become. It will become Pur. Is this sutra clear?
Yes, Poonaji. I have a question from the Niyama 137, number 4. It says Dirgha Rikara, Dirgha Rikara ko Ir ho jata hai aur Pr ko me Ur ho jata hai. So they have combined two sutras into this, right? They took this Udosh Purvasya and then the next one, Halicha, they combined it too. Yeah, okay, thank you.
Yes. That's why I immediate after that Halicha I explained. Pur is there, it becomes Pur. Purya. I took the example also Prapurya. Is this clear? This sutra?
Yes, Poornaji, thank you.
Next, Halicha. Refa vakaranta dhatoho. This is Shashti Dvivachanam. So either Refa or Vakaranta. These two dhatus. At the end, at dhatu which is having at the end Refa or vakara. Then upadha letter. Upadha means second last letter. Generally second last letter. Here there is only pa and ra. So we are taking here ra only. Sorry, second last letter only we are taking here. In pur dhatu, let me write here. This is the upadha. This pur is the pada, not pada actually. This is the, okay, dhatu. Pur is the dhatu. In this dhatu, this ukara is upadha varna. Second last letter. So the first letter is refa and second last letter is ukara. This ukara will become dirgha when dhatu, if it is ending with refa, this ukara will get dirgha ukara. Ikvarna means I, U, Rul, Ru. These four letters. Hal varne pare. And it is followed by, this refa should be followed by hal varna, which is yakara. Means if it is some pratyaya, then only we can make that pur as pur. If it is ta pratyaya, na will come. So there also pur will become pur and na. Ta will change into na by some other sutra. Then that na will change into ana. Hal varna pare. So this refa should be followed by hal varna preceded by ik varna. Then that upadha ik varna will become dirgha. Is it clear?
Yes, Purnaji.
Could you repeat what ikvarna is, please?
Ik, ivu rulru. I won rullu.
I una. Okay, that one. Okay.
Maheshwara Sutrani. Next, upasargad asamase apinopadeshasya. Yasmin dhatau aupadeshika avasthayam nakaraha asti. Like example is ni dhatu. Ni dhatu, ni prapane is there. Yasmin dhatu aupadeshika avasthayam nakaraha asti. Aupadeshika avastha means that dhatu, original dhatu. Generally, ni is the original dhatu. What we pronounce is this ni we use. But this is not upadesha. This ni is the upadeshika dhatu. Means that which is said in upadesha is upadeshika dhatu. औपदेशिकावस्थायां नकारः अस्ति. तस्य नकारस्य णत्वनिमित्तकात् उपसर्गात् परः नकारः भवति. Now this ni is there, and if we use ta pratyaya, what will happen? Ta pratyaya neta. Tasya nakarasya. Which nakara? Which nakara? This nakara, which is originally ana, but it has changed. Nakara natva nimittakant upasargat paraha nakaraha bhavati. If it is there in after upasarga, then that nakara will change into ana. Praneta. Praneta.
ఓన్లీ ప్రా ఉపసర్గ వచ్చినప్పుడేనా?
Not pra upasarga, refa. In upasarga, if there is refa, then refa or shakara. What is the nimittas? Whatever are the nimittas are there for nakara to change ana, all those nimittas can work here. If in upadesha, aupadeshika dhatu, if there is ana, in rashabhyam nonaha samana pade, by that sutra, nakara will not change into ana. Why it will not change?
రకార
Could you repeat
షకార
this one?
లేకపోతే నా అనేది అనాకారగా మారదు. రకార షకార రెండు లేకపోతే నా అనేది అనాకారగా మారదు.
ఇక్కడ రకారం ఉందిగా.
రషాభ్యాం నా అన్నారు.
పదములో అమ్మా, అది ఇది పదం అవలేదు కదమ్మా ఇంకా.
సమాన పదం.
Question is, here pra plus neta is there, then that nakara is not changing ana by rashabhyam nonaha samana pade. By that sutra, nakara is not changing ana because it is not samana pada. That sutra says samana pade. If it is same pada, then only
it will change.
Nakara will change into ana. It is not same pada. Pra is different, neta is different. That's why this upasargad asamasepe nopadeshasya sutra has come. Is it clear?
Yes.
So in that we use ta pratyaya. So we can also use, I mean, what is the relationship with lyap?
No,
Twa, ta and twa pratyaya.
pranaya. Is it clear? Lyap pratyaya used. Now, ni plus lyap.
And then in this case,
Niya, it will be praniya. Ni will remain as it is. In lyap, there won't be any change for dhatus and all.
Okay.
Praniya.
Got it. Thank you. Yeah, thank you.
So whichever pratyaya, the nimitta is this. Nakara should be, ana should be in aupadeshika avastha. Then later, dhatvadehe, not nonaha. By that nonaha, by that sutra, ana will change into na. Here, this ana will change into na by nonaha sutra. Then again, this nakara will change into ana because there is upasarga. In upasarga, rakara is there. Natva nimitta is there. In upasarga, natva nimitta is there. Means it can be ana. Reva is there. If it is chakara is there in upasarga, also that na will change into ana. Is this clear?
Yes, Amma.
Lyapi laghu purvat. Lyapi parataha laghu purvat varnat uttarasya nehe aya adeshaha bhavati. Pranamaya. This sutra, vritti, I have not understood how this pranamaya has come, and the process is also not given in Ashtadhyaya, so we can leave that. Did we cover all the sutras? Valyapi, we covered this yesterday. Agatya. Agatya, takara come by which sutra?
Praswasya piti kriti tuk.
Yes.
I don't remember you covering Lyap yesterday. I listened to
Yes.
that. You covered it yesterday?
Yeah. I covered it. Valyapi.
Oh,
Lyapi parataha. Lyapi parataha anudata upadesha vanati tanutyadinam anunasika lopaha va bhavati. This in gam dhatu, in there is makara. When we did ta pratyaya, gam dhatu, that anuswara gets lopa when it is followed by jal, I think. There it is jal. Or kniti. Jali kniti. In dhatu, if there is a anunasika and when it is followed by nit pratyaya or kit pratyaya or jal pratyaya, then that anunasika will get lopa. By अनुदातोपदेश वणति तनोत्यादीनाम् अनुनासिक लोपो वा लोपो झलि niti by this sutra. Here that sutra is optional. Va means vikalpena. Vikalpena means we can do once without this sutra application also we can do. Without this sutra application also we can do the prakriya. Like gum is there. Gum is the dhatu. Now we are doing lyap pratyaya. Is this lyap pratyaya, pit pratyaya or not?
Yeah.
Yes, Amma.
But anudatopadeshika, not pit, nit kit, I think.
Knit. That is knit.
Takara, nakara, jali. Jal pratyahara. We have nimitta here as jal. So the yakara, Yakara is also not jal. Okay. This is replaced in Tva Pratyaya. So Tva Pratyaya is Kit Pratyaya. Right? So that's why here this sutra can be applicable. Gam is there. Gam is there. This plus ya. But ya we are assuming as Kit Pratyaya. Now this ma can get lopa by Anudatopadesha Vanati Tanutyadinam Anunasika Lopaha. By that sutra, Makara gets Lopa. But before, there should be Upasarga, Ang Upasarga. Ang Upasarga Purvak, Gam Dhatu is there, Lyap Pratyaya is there. Now, there is another sutra which we have seen before itself. What is that? Hrasvasya Piti Kruti Tuk. Hrasvaswara Krutsanyake Prit Pratyaya Pare Tug Agamaha Bhavati. This is Akara is Hrasvaswara and it is followed by Pit Pratyaya, which is Lyap. Lyap is Pit Pratyaya. Hrasvaswara is following by Pit Pratyaya, then that dhatu will get Tuk Agama. A plus Ga plus Tuk plus Ya. Now, what will remain here? Agatya. Agatya. When this Makara gets Lopa. If Makara won't get Lopa, the another form is Agamya. A plus Gam Dhatu is there. Plus Lyap. Lyap is there. A plus Gam. Makara is not getting Lopa. And Lyap. In Lyap, what will remain?
Yeah.
Yakara.
Here, Takara will come or not?
No, it won't come.
No, it will not.
Why?
No.
Why?
There's no Hrisva.
Makara is there.
Makara is not Hrasva Swara.
To
Therefore,
Gama it will not be applied then.
So, therefore, Agamya. This is how form will come in this way. Didn't I explain yesterday all this process?
We didn't do it. I don't remember.
Yeah, I listened
No,
to the
Poorna ji.
recording. We did not do this sutra. Valyapi we can cover.
Okay. I might have gone through these steps. Okay. So that's why it is there at the end. Okay. Did I cover all these points?
Yes, Amma.
I have one question.
Hmm.
In the Udoshtya Purvasya, The dhatu we used in the example is pr, that dirgha rikara, right? And alicha, the dhatu we used is pur. So there are two different dhatus.
No. Here, this is not pur. This is pur only. Pur only. Here, this prakriya, we have to bring here that prakriya.
The continuation actually. Halicha is after pur. Yeah.
My question is, what is the dhatu? Dhatu is pur.
Pru is the dhatu.
Pr is the dhatu. Okay.
This
Pr
is
the
all.
dhatu.
This
Yeah.
is not complete prakriya. With this udoshtya purvasya, prakriya has not completed with that.
Yeah.
Pur becomes pur by halicha. That is continuation sutra.
Okay. But I remember you mentioned pur is a dhatu. So are both pr and pur, both are dhatus? Is that
Yeah,
how?
pur became pur. Pur became pru became pur. So I can't mention here. This is the pada. So that's why I used the word dhatu. Pru is the original dhatu.
Okay. That is what. Thank you.
Yeah. Just for saying, for using the word, I used dhatu, but the original dhatu is pru only. Any other questions?
Yeah, in Ashtadhyayi, pur does show up as a dhatu. So it is possible to have one dhatu become another dhatu. It's possible.
Meaning is same? Is that?
Yes, I think meaning is same.
Then they might have given the agragamane. Agragamane is there for pur dhatu. So this modification form they might have kept.
Yes, pura agragamane is there.
Palana Puranayoho. No. See,
Oh, that is
meaning is different.
Okay.
Palana Puranayoho.
Okay. So the pur is a different dhatu altogether.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Understood. Okay. Whereas in our case, pr is the dhatu. And,
Yes.
okay. So that is why I got a little bit confused, because when you said pur is the dhatu, then.
Oh,
Okay.
sorry.
Now I understand.
Then pur is not the dhatu. Pru is the dhatu. Okay. Pur
Okay.
is also a dhatu, so we cannot use there.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes. Any other questions? Okay. This last point, you just pranamaya. This is how the form is. When I get to know that meaning, I will explain. They have given one more point here. Nijanta धातुओं के ई का लोप हो जाता है. This is by sutra. Sutra is, I forgot. We have to find out which dhatu is getting ikara lopa. Vicharya, praharya. Neraniti or something is there sutra. Neraniti. By this sutra, this Nijanta Ikara will get Lopa. I'll explain here only. Is that okay? We don't need to type so much. So, char is the dhatu. Char gato bhakshane. Here they have used pra. We can use vi. Vicharya. Char is the dhatu, and this char dhatu get nich pratyaya. When nich pratyaya comes, ikara will remain. And upada gets dirgha. Char becomes char. All these sutras we have seen. Again, it will get tva pratyaya. Samana katrakayoho purvakale. By that sutra, it gets tva pratyaya. Again, we are replacing tva by lyap pratyaya. Samase anai purve tvo lyap. By that sutra, we are replacing lyap. Now, this ikara is getting lopa. Which ikara? Nich. Actually, not ikara. Nich is getting lopa. When this nich is getting lopa, this is the vritti. Anit adau adha dhatuke nehe lopaha bhavati. Anit etc. Adi, anit adi, adha dhatuka, when it is there, then that nich will get lopa. So what is anit and what is, this is, see here it is set dhatu. Dhatu is set dhatu. But here nimitta is anit dhatu. Anit ardha dhatuka dhatu, if it is there, then ikara will get lopa. Where again? Oh, sorry. Lep. Anit ardha dhatuka pratyaya, if it is there, then nich pratyaya will get lopa. Though dhatu is here set dhatu, but it gets anit. Means there are some prakriya could be there. This set anit, when it comes to set net, we cannot decide this is set, this is net. Though the dhatu is set, then in prakriya it becomes anit. So this sutra no need of worrying. Just remember that nich will get lopa in this lyap pratyaya. That's all. We saw where nich comes. Churadigana dhatus will get nich. So here nich will not come. Which nich will get lopa. That alone we have to remember. Vicharya, praharya, uttarya, uttapya, pradarshya, sanchintya. Uttapya. What is the dhatu?
Stha.
Stha dhatu. How stha become tha ta? Sutra. We saw this, right? Even if we won't say many times, Swamiji quoted this. Udahastha sthamboho purvasya. Did we see this or not? Okay, if we don't see, then later whenever it comes, again we will see that point comes. Lyapi laghu purvat. उपधा में ह्रस्व हो तो ई को आई होता है. Viganaya. Yeah, this sutra I skipped it. All other sutras we have covered. Agatya, agamya, valyapi. That also we covered. Any other doubts in these niyamas? Okay. Udaharana Vakyas. Who will start?
Amma, I
can.
will try.
Okay. Anusha,
Hmm.
please.
पाठं सम्पत्य लेखम् उल्लिख्य सुखम् अनुभूय परीक्षाम् उत्तीर्ण रामः
Uttirna.
अत्र
What is that word?
उत्तीर्य रामः अत्र आगतः పాఠం చదివి వ్యాసం రాసి సంతోషంగా అంటే సుఖం అనుభవించి పరీక్షలో ఉత్తీర్ణుడే రాముడు ఇక్కడికి వచ్చాడు.
Good. Ullikhya. What is the? Is there one word or two words?
Ut upasarga lik.
Ut upasarga purvak lik dhatu. Lyap pratyaya. How that takara will change into lakara? What is the sutra?
Torli.
Yes, Torli. It's a simple sutra. We can remember all the times. Okay. Lekham.
What is the meaning? Sorry, what is the meaning of ullikhya? The upasarga makes it. What is the meaning?
Having
अच्छे
written.
प्रकार अच्छे से लिखना.
Utlikhya is written it well.
Written it. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Lekham. After lekham, there should be anuswara. Like patham is anuswara. Why lekham is makara?
It is followed by vowel, that's why. Oh.
What is the sutra?
I don't remember the sutra immediately.
Anybody? Monuswaraha. This is the sutra. Okay. Next. Who can tell that in English?
I can say it in Hindi and then I'll convert it into English. पाठ को अच्छे से पढ़ के, लेख को अच्छी प्रकार से लिख के, सुख को अनुभव करके, परीक्षा को पास करके, I don't know another word for परीक्षा को पास करके राम यहाँ आया.
So, whenever you're in doubt, you can use Sanskrit. Pariksha ko uttirna karke, and it will be correct.
Okay. परीक्षा को उत्तीर्ण करके राम यहाँ आए.
Okay. Next. Second one.
Ramam ahuya samyak vicharya cha guruhu prushtavan. రాముడిని పిలిచి మరియు బాగా విచారించి గురువు చెప్పాడు.
Yes. In English?
Having called Rama, then Samyak Vicharya, having deliberated, the Guru asked.
Next, third one.
వాచం ఉచ్చార్య శుచం సంత్యజ్య వేదం అధీత్య రుచం ప్రీచ్య చ గురుః ప్రాప్తః. వాక్యం ఉచ్చరించి శుచిని త్యజించి వేదంను చదివి మరియు ఇష్టాన్ని పెంచుకొని గురువును లభించాడు.
What is that? Vacham Ucharya means what?
వాక్యం ఉచ్చరించి.
Where is Vakyam?
వాచం అంటే
Vacham.
పదము.
Vacham means what?
Vedam, Vedavak.
Va. It's given as Vedavak. Vach means Vak means speech.
Plain
వాణి.
Vak.
వాణి.
Vani.
వాక్ మీన్స్ వాచ్.
మాటలు చెప్పి.
మాటలు పలికి.
పలికి లేదా చెప్పి. శుచం. శుచం means what?
శుచి.
Saucham, na?
No, Shukam. I mean, Shoka.
Shukam means shokam.
దుఃఖాన్ని ఛేదించి
Shokam. So having renounced the shoka through the understanding the adhyasa. Vedam adhitya.
చదివి
అధ్యయనం చేసి.
Just a quick question. For the Vacham Ucharya, what was the final in English, please? Because I think it was said in Telugu.
Having spoken the speech or words.
Okay.
Vedam adhitya. Having studied Vedam. Veda. Next, Rucham Prochya is what?
ఇష్టంను పెంచుకొని.
Rucham Prochya. Prochya means what?
ప్రీతి. ఇష్టం.
Anybody? What is the meaning for Prochya?
Prakarshena Ucharya.
వేద మంత్రం ఉచ్చారించి అంతేమో.
Having chanted the Rig mantras. Guruhu.
Ruch Sama Rigveda, that whole thing, am I right?
Yes. Cha Guruhu Praptaha. Guruhu Praptaha means what?
గురువు
You get
లభించాడు.
Attain the Guru. Can anyone complete the Vakya in English?
Having spoken the words, having renounced sorrow, having studied the Vedas, and having pronounced the Rig Adi Veda mantras, and the Guru is attained, or Guru Praptaha. Yes, the Guru is attained. Praptaha is right?
Pratyaya. Yes. So Pratyaya is Karmavachaka or Bhavavachaka or Kartruvachaka?
Kartravachaka.
Pratyaya.
Karma and Bhavavachaka.
Karma and Bhavavachaka. So that's why here Guruhu is in Prathama. This way also we can practice. Guruhu is in Prathama. How Guruhu is in Prathama? Guru is not Karta here, right?
No, it is
Yes.
is karma, attained.
Guru is not Karta, but Guru is in Prathama. So, because Dakta Pratyaya is Karmani Prayoga.
Okay. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.